For now, motion tracking is a premier feature in CapCut, and if you want to do motion tracking, you can do it with the free version, but you need to do it frame by frame. That means you need to use keyframes. So for that, I'm gonna click on the track, and then I'm gonna go to the very first frame and go to video, and I'm gonna add keyframe here on scale and also on position. Add keyframe. And now if you go, okay, I'm going to zoom in, and then if you go here on menu, you're going to see guides and rulers. I'm going to go to add horizontal guide. I already added guides, so it's showing two guides, but okay, let's get rid of it first, and then I'm going to go again here, guides and rulers, add horizontal guide. Okay, so I'm gonna put this around here, and then again go here, guides and rulers, add vertical guide. Okay, this should be the central point, this one. Okay, here I'm gonna put the ball. Okay, I'm gonna track the basketball. Okay, so I'm gonna first drag it like this and make it bigger so that we don't get the issue of empty space, something like this. So I'm gonna put it here. Okay, this is the first frame, and if you go to the very last frame, we can see something like this. Again, I'm gonna drag this here. Okay, so on position, it's automatically adding the keyframe, but on scale it's not doing so. If you need to change the scale, you can put this here. Click on here and add keyframe. For now, I'm okay with the scale. So if I play the video, okay, zoom out, and then if I play the video, right now it looks like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go around here so we don't see the ball here, so we're gonna drag like this. Okay, let's see. So as you can see, it's a little better than before, but around here we can still adjust the video, drag here, and you can see the keyframes are being added automatically. So we're gonna just go to another frame and adjust like this. So now here it looks, it doesn't look good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna zoom out, and we're gonna change the scale here. Okay, Control and Z. First of all, we need to add keyframe here, keyframe, and then we're gonna scale it up. Okay, now I'm gonna put it here. Okay, this is good. Add more keyframes. Like here, we can add more here, and then okay. Okay, I think now it's way better. Yes. Let's go to full screen and watch. Okay, it's way better. So this is how we do motion tracking in CapCut.